What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update. September 20th. Sorry, yesterday's was too long. I was tired and I just kind of rambled. Anyway, so we'll keep this quick. Today's pretty simple. 39.23. Above that, I'm bullish. 39.05. Below that, I'm bearish. We're there right now. We're at 3900. We opened below 05, and I think that first stop would be this 89.90, and then maybe we retest the 53 and the 46 down here. 46 seems weak. I still want to see the 38.40 level. I think that will be touched, and if not, then we look at 3800. We could also see a consolidation today just because of the big, Fed announcement tomorrow, whether it be 3/4, 50, or $1 or full point hike. I don't know. I don't know what's priced in at this juncture. It's so convoluted. I don't know. Looks like the 3-minute looks heading back down. Pivot 38.98. So just below that, my 39.05 level. 39.51, I like that. 39.79, I also like that one. 38.70, 38.17, 37.89. Again, I don't know if we're going to see a doozy day or not. I added this wedge. This is pretty interesting. This actually dates back. So if we go back to the COVID low comes through, this is a weekly chart. So we've got a nice little triangle there, or a wedge there, excuse me, and now we got a wedge here. So let's see how long we, kind of correlate into here. This high end is pretty up there. You're looking at 42.5 to really get up to this one. But this low level would be interesting to see if this breaks. So that's just something I keep an eye on. Anyway, but yeah, so basically 39.23 and above, I'm bullish. 39.05 and below, I'm bearish. And those two levels down there. So I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of consolidate. You 95 to 36 is your overnight range. So we'll see. I'm not. I have no feeling on anything today. News-wise, German PPI came in at actually 45.8%. Here's a little graph for it. So that's fun. Economic calendar today. Building permits, housing starts, that might have an effect on the market depending on if it's a huge miss or not. And then tomorrow you have existing home sales, which is going to be important. A lot of eyes on the housing market right now. And then of course the 2 p.m. Fed statement, and then Jay Powell talks. So I'm not ruling out a full point hike here. Sweden just did a full point hike this morning, so I think it's like everyone's racing to get their interest rates up. So it's kind of they might be all battling each other. So it's something to keep an eye on. But I would assume the 3/4 is pretty priced in. So if we do a 3/4, I don't see a market craziness. But if it's a full point, I think that would definitely send some shockwaves. Again, I don't know. I'm not speculating on knowing. I'm just saying that, I think 3/4 is priced in. So that's kind of where we stand today. I could see, you could see a 23 to, or just kind of a consolidation range here today because of, unless something big happens, I don't know. SPX. So technically there's a 1 point gap here. I just got rid of it just because it was so close. This gap up here, I wouldn't worry about that gap. This guy down here is interesting, 37 to 29. So I'd take a look at that one. Again, 37 could be a level that we, kind of pop up, as support. But being such a shallow range, it could go through it and then maybe, start at the 38.17 here. That's something I'd watch. Yen still in kind of a bullish position. You got a little bull flag happening here. 150 is my target on that. And then the 995 is still holding on the euro. Still in the downward channel, so everything is just kind of waiting. I bet we could put a little line there and make a wedge too. But anyway, that's just kind of, this thing's really kind of consolidating. So we'll see if we get a move tomorrow. with the Fed and everything else. Again, I don't hold very high hopes for Europe right now with their energy crisis, and then obviously that German PPI coming in at 45.8%, which is outrageous. Anyway, keeping it short and sweet. I should be around again. Stay safe, big swings, and either size down or take your profit when you see it.